Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 GMC Yukon SLT. This one is white. Underneath the hood is a 5.3 V8 with 355 horsepower. This one has 20-inch wheels. Running boards, Yukon badging on the side, black leather interior, sunroof, rear captain's chairs, rear climate controls, third row seating, Yukon badging, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season floor mats, fold down third row seating, blind spot assist, power windows, Bose sound system, power seats, steering wheel controls, a push start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera, hard keys for the radio and me display, dual climate controls, heated seats and cooled seats, cup holders, wireless charging. This Yukon has 93,815 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GMC Yukon, visit us at feldmannimports.com.